rotten stench filled the air. It knocked me off my feet. I needed medical care. I lit up some matches and I dialed the phone. Then I realized the culprit stands on the throne. Damn, smells bad. On the toilet he sat, pants down to his knees. He had a plunger in one hand and 42 magazines. When he's squatting he's happy, cause we leave him alone. Yeah, he's king of his castle when Dad's on the throne. Dad smells bad. Dad's on the throne. Dad's on the throne.